Imagine a machine that can think, learn, and make decisions like a human. Sound like science fiction? Well, brace yourself, because we're about to dive headfirst into the realm of cognitive computing in artificial intelligence, where this isn't just possible, it's becoming a reality. Cognitive computing is a subset of artificial intelligence that mimics the functionality of the human brain. It's not about replacing human thought, but rather enhancing it, creating a partnership between man and machine where each complements the other's strengths. This incredible technology is designed to simulate human thought processes in a computerized model, creating a machine that can understand, reason, learn from, and interact with its human counterparts. The primary purpose of cognitive computing is to create automated IT systems that are capable of solving problems without human intervention. By using machine learning algorithms and artificial neural networks, cognitive computers can process information in a way that's similar to how humans think. This involves the processing of information in a contextual, holistic way, rather than in a linear fashion. It's important to note that cognitive computing goes beyond simple automation. It's about creating systems that can understand and learn from their experiences, much like humans do. This is a significant shift in the world of artificial intelligence, marking a step towards machines that can think like us. Cognitive computing is not a concept of the distant future, it's happening right now. We're witnessing the dawn of an era where machines are becoming increasingly capable of understanding and learning from the world around them, just like we do. This is a thrilling juncture in the evolution of technology, one that holds immense potential for the future. So, why should we care about cognitive computing? Well, it's set to revolutionize industries, transform how we interact with technology, and potentially redefine the relationship between humans and machines. It's a technology that's poised to impact every aspect of our lives, from the way we work, to the way we live, to the way we think. So let's dive deeper into this fascinating world of cognitive computing and AI. Cognitive computing might sound complicated, but in essence, it's quite simple. Let's simplify it. Imagine cognitive computing as a super advanced puppeteer. But instead of controlling a marionette with strings, it's orchestrating a symphony of data, algorithms, and machine learning techniques. It's all about making sense of complex information in a way that's remarkably similar to how we humans do it. Think of your brain as a sort of biological computer. It receives data from your senses, processes it, learns from it, and responds accordingly. Now, what if we could create a machine that could do all that? That's where cognitive computing comes in. It's about designing systems that can understand information like a human, learn from it like a human, and even respond to it in a human-like way. It's about creating machines that can reason, make decisions, and solve problems, just like we do. Let's take a moment to consider how we learn. We absorb information, process it, remember it, and then use it to make decisions in the future. We learn from our mistakes and successes, and we adapt our behavior accordingly. Cognitive computing aims to replicate this process in machines. Instead of programming a machine to follow a set of rules, we're teaching it to learn from experience. We're giving it the ability to understand context, to recognize patterns, and to make decisions based on what it has learned. It's like we're teaching a machine to think. And just like the human brain, cognitive computing systems aren't limited to one type of data. They can handle structured data like databases and spreadsheets, as well as unstructured data like text, images, and even human speech. They can understand, analyze, and learn from all of it. But what truly sets cognitive computing apart is its ability to interact with humans in a natural, intuitive way. It's not just about processing data and making decisions. It's about understanding human language, recognizing emotions, and responding in a way that's uniquely human. In essence, cognitive computing is about creating machines that can understand, learn, and respond like a human. Now that we understand what cognitive computing is, what makes it work? At the heart of cognitive computing lie three key components: machine learning, natural language processing, and data mining. Each of these elements plays a pivotal role in shaping a cognitive system's ability to process, understand, and learn from data, much like the human brain. First up is machine learning. This is the engine that enables cognitive systems to learn from their interactions with data and environment, just like we learn from our experiences. Machine learning algorithms use statistical methods to search for patterns in data, allowing the system to improve its performance over time. The more data it interacts with, the better it gets, and that's the beauty of machine learning. Next, we have natural language processing, or NLP for short. NLP allows cognitive systems to understand and interpret human language in all its complexity. It's not just about understanding words and sentences. NLP delves deeper to grasp the context, sentiment, and even the intent behind the language. This is what enables cognitive systems to engage in meaningful dialogues with humans, mirroring our ability to understand and communicate. Finally, there's data mining. It's the process of discovering interesting and potentially useful patterns from large data sets. Data mining sifts through colossal amounts of information to identify patterns and relationships that might otherwise go unnoticed. It's a bit like finding a needle in a haystack, but in this case, the haystack is a mountain of data, and the needle is a valuable insight waiting to be discovered. So, how do these components work together? Well, think of it like a well-oiled machine. Machine learning provides the system with the ability to learn and adapt. Natural language processing enables it to understand and communicate in human language, and data mining uncovers hidden insights from large datasets. Each component complements the others, creating a system that can think, learn, and interact much like a human. These key components make cognitive computing a powerful tool for a wide range of applications. Now let's delve into some of these applications and see cognitive computing in action. So, where do we see cognitive computing in action? That's a question that often pops up. The truth is, cognitive computing is already deeply embedded in several industries, quietly revolutionizing the way we live and work. Let's take a look at healthcare, for instance. With the help of cognitive computing, doctors are now able to make more accurate diagnoses and provide personalized treatment plans. By analyzing a myriad of data such as medical history, genetics, and lifestyle, cognitive computing systems can predict health risks and recommend preventive measures. It's like having a super smart medical assistant that never sleeps. Now let's shift our focus to the financial sector. Cognitive computing is acting like a seasoned financial advisor, helping companies make informed decisions. It can analyze historical data, current market trends, and even social media sentiment to forecast market movements. It's like having a crystal ball that helps you navigate the unpredictable world of finance. And what about customer service? Well, if you've ever interacted with a chatbot, you've experienced cognitive computing firsthand. These virtual assistants use cognitive computing to understand and respond to customer queries, often in real time. They can learn from past interactions, improving their responses over time. It's like having a customer service representative who's always learning, always improving. But it doesn't stop there. Cognitive computing is also making waves in sectors like retail, transportation, and even entertainment. From predicting buying patterns to optimizing logistics, to personalizing movie recommendations, cognitive computing is there, silently working in the background, making our lives a little bit easier. In conclusion, cognitive computing is not just a buzzword thrown around in tech circles. It's a real, tangible technology that's already making a significant impact in multiple domains. And the best part, it's only going to get better as technology advances. Cognitive computing is not just a concept, it's here and it's making a big difference. We've seen what cognitive computing can do now, but what about the future? As we look ahead, it's clear that cognitive computing will continue to play an increasingly important role in our everyday lives. Imagine a world where cognitive systems can predict natural disasters with pinpoint accuracy, or where personalized learning systems adapt to the unique needs of every student. These are just a few examples of the potential future applications of cognitive computing. In healthcare, cognitive systems could analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions that humans simply cannot. This could lead to early detection of diseases, personalized treatment plans, and improved patient outcomes. In the business world, cognitive computing could transform decision-making processes by analyzing complex data sets and providing insights that help companies make more informed decisions. But, as with any technology, there are challenges and ethical considerations that come with cognitive computing. One of the key challenges is ensuring that the technology is accessible and beneficial to all, not just a privileged few. This means addressing issues like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the digital divide. Another challenge is managing the impact of cognitive computing on jobs and employment. While cognitive systems can automate certain tasks, it's crucial to also focus on how these systems can augment human capabilities, not just replace them. This requires a shift in our thinking, from viewing cognitive computing as a threat to jobs to seeing it as an opportunity for humans and machines to work together in new and innovative ways. Ethics is another crucial consideration. As cognitive systems become more autonomous, it's important to ensure that they operate in a way that is ethical and aligns with our societal values. This means setting clear guidelines for how these systems should behave and putting mechanisms in place to hold them accountable. The future of cognitive computing is exciting, but we must tread carefully to ensure it is used ethically and responsibly. As we move forward, let's embrace the potential of cognitive computing while also addressing the challenges and ethical considerations that come with it. The future is here, and it's cognitive. Let's recap what we've learned about cognitive computing and AI. We began our journey by witnessing the dawn of cognitive computing. It emerged as an exciting leap in technology, aiming to simulate human thought processes in a computerized model. Using self-learning algorithms, cognitive computing systems can mimic the way the human brain works, enabling them to solve complex problems in ways traditional AI systems can't. We then simplified cognitive computing for a clearer understanding. It's not just about machines performing tasks, but about systems that learn, reason, and engage in a way that's similar to human brains. They observe, interpret, evaluate, and decide, just like we do. Next, we dove into the key components of cognitive computing. These include machine learning, natural language processing, sentiment analysis, and more. Each component plays a vital role in making cognitive computing systems intelligent and dynamic. Our journey took us through the various applications of cognitive computing. From healthcare to finance, from marketing to entertainment, cognitive computing is revolutionizing industries. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, banks detect fraud, marketers understand consumer behavior, and much more. We then look towards the future of cognitive computing. With advancements in technology, cognitive computing is set to become even more sophisticated. It's not just about making machines smarter, it's about enhancing human decision-making and transforming the way we live and work. So as we wrap up, remember this. Cognitive computing is more than just a buzzword in the tech world. It's a powerful tool that's reshaping the way we interact with technology. It's about creating systems that understand, learn, and adapt, that interact naturally with humans, and that augment our cognitive capabilities. Cognitive computing in AI is a fascinating field that holds a lot of promise for the future. It's something we all need to understand as it becomes an increasingly important part of our lives. The world of AI and cognitive computing is vast and ever-evolving. It's a fascinating realm, one that continues to redefine the boundaries of what's possible. It's a story that's still being written, and you, yes, you are part of it. The journey of learning never really ends, especially in a field as dynamic as this. The more you delve into it, the more there is to discover. There are countless resources out there waiting for you, ready to feed your curiosity, to assist in your quest for knowledge. Whether it's online courses, webinars, books, or research papers, the world is your oyster. Let's continue to explore, to question, to innovate. Let's strive to understand the intricacies of cognitive computing and how we can leverage it for the betterment of mankind. Remember, the future is not something we enter. The future is something we create. So let's create a future where cognitive computing and AI is used to benefit all of humanity.